Hi everyone, it's Megan from Uppermoda here. Thanks for watching. So today I'll be making cones. You may have seen them on our Facebook and Instagram page. They're super pretty and I've been getting lots of requests to make these. So thank you to Kristina from KakesbyspecialK for this recipe. And hopefully do between 8 and 10 is going to cut vertical strips. So, okay. Like, I'm not sure, she flipped. So I'm gonna wrap it. But with practice. This is harder than it looks for me. So let's wrap it around, put it around. And you don't need to press too hard. It's just like an easy little process. And then this end bit, make it face down, otherwise it'll curl up while it's baking. Check these out. Yummy. Hold it with this and then you can use your other hand to take off the cone. Let's do it. Mix the instant pudding, thickened cream, and a tiny bit of milk in my mixer. Put some of this into the piping bag and then I'll squeeze it out of there.